What is going up, traders? So I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. It's late, I know, so if I get this out late at night, I apologize. But this video is going to be talking about Robinhood and is it good for day trading? So we all know day trading is when you buy and sell a stock within the same trading hours, and pretty much it's just short-term momentum gains in the market. And we're going to be pretty much comparing Robinhood to the Thinkorswim platform here. So as you guys can see, I have $200 in it, and then I have one stock of that I got free with the referral program GRPN. It's Groupon here. I got that for free, so that's pretty good. So I'm down a couple pennies on the day. I don't really care. I just put in $200 actually because I'm going to be starting a challenge. I'm going to be doing a $200 swing trade challenge. I'm going to be swing trading these stocks here. And yes, I'm still going to do my $500 Sure Trader challenge. I just pretty much need to do it. I've been slacking lately. I know. I'm sorry. But all right, so Sure Trader. Let's pull up, man, what am I talking about? Let's pull up a stock. So we're on Robinhood here. So let's pull up Apple. And we're going to compare Apple chart on here to the Apple chart on here. So let's pull up Apple. And pretty much the main difference between the TOS and Robinhood, whoops, that's not Apple's ticker, AAPL. The main difference between, Thinkorswim and Robinhood is that Robinhood offers 100% free trades, but it doesn't bypass the PDT rule, so you still have to have over $25,000 in your account. But there are many people that find themselves with over $25,000 and still having troubles day trading stocks on Robinhood. So that's one of the downfalls. It is new, so it still has a lot of things to kind of test out. But overall, it's pretty solid. It's very simple. There's nothing really to it. They have week, month, 3 month, and 1 year, and then 5 year. So it's very, very simple. They have recent news about it, and the price paid on Robinhood. And if you guys are wondering, how does Robinhood actually make money? So let's say you buy a stock right now. This is market hours. You click buy at $222.90. So that's when you click buy. You will actually get filled at a higher price, and Robinhood will get that difference, or vice versa. You'll get at a lower price, and they'll get that difference. But they make money. It's just a short, pennies, but they actually do add up very, very fast. You save a lot of money, but they do add up. So it's technically not free in trading. They do make money, but you always got to be cautious of that here. So as you guys can see, this is what a commission broker looks like. Very, very 100% customizable. Everything is how you want it. In Robinhood, it's pretty much just however it is. There's nothing you can customize. There's nothing you can change. They are coming out with Candlestick Charts here on the computer. They do have it on the phone, and it is kind of hard to really see because your phone's only so small. It's kind of hard to actually read a full stock just from judging it. That's what I found out of it. So I really don't even use it. And I'm a candlestick guy. That's how I trade, is off those candles. But I mostly would never day trade on Robinhood, just because of how they execute your shares. You can be getting filled at terrible prices and they get that difference, so it's awful. I would not recommend this for any type of day traders, just because you don't have hotkeys, you can't really see what's going on in the market. But if you're someone who's new to investing and new to trading, Robinhood's your go-to. It's free. You can put $10 in it and you can just buy one share and see how it reacts to the market, or you can buy 2 shares depending on the price. So this is where I actually started. I started on Robinhood, and I didn't do very well, because I was trying to use both of these. I was trying to use the charting on here, and actually execute my trades on Robinhood. Did not go very well because I was trying to day trade, and I really needed a day trading program. So that's what I did. I used SureTrader, and then my accounts definitely started to pick up from there. And that's when I started to actually make some profits. But, so Robinhood, great for swing trades, great for long term, but day trading, you can still do it, don't get me wrong, but it's going to be very, very difficult when you want to buy or sell your stock. Always use limits and always have your stop set so you don't check it and then you're down a lot of money, because that's what tends to happen on these. And this is what you will get from a paying commission. A lot nicer stuff. You still don't bypass that PDT rule, but you can look at multiple stocks at once. You can scan the market. You can have education, actually. You can, monitor your positions. You can analyze trades, all types of great things from this. So what I would do is I would start here, build up your account, and then if you want to go to SureTrader, which you can bypass that PDT rule, which is the pattern day trader rule, which is pretty much in short-term states, if you have under 25,000, you are only limited to 3 day trades within a 5-day trading period. So when you first start trading, I wouldn't recommend, even really putting your money out there. Start paper trading. Always paper trade. Always. It will save you so much money in the long term. So, just really do that. Trust me, guys. Paper trade on Thinkorswim. Move to move to Robinhood. Start playing around with real money. Slowly but surely build up your account. Then transfer it, whether it's to over 25,000 over on Thinkorswim, or if you're still under, go to SureTrader, or you can go to Lightspeed or any of those other brokers. Also, if you guys are interested in trading and you just kind of don't know where to get started, I can offer you a referral program where you can get a free stock by signing up. I will put that in the bottom for you guys. Or you can look up Carter Farr on YouTube, and it'll be that first link on the top of my channel. Very easy, not too complicated. So, I'm calling it there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, pretty much comparing Robinhood and Thinkorswim trading platform. Please sure to like, subscribe if you're new, comment if you use Robinhood or if you use the TOS. Take care, guys. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the weekend.
Make me